All right, so I've got circuit number 2 from Project 4 here. I used a 2K for R here, and then also a 2K for the LED, the current limiter. And we didn't have any normally closed push buttons, so I just used a regular push button. But as you can see, it works just the same. Okay, here's circuit 3 for Project 4. Here it is. I've got the photoresistor facing the LED. Let's see, can I turn the flashlight on? Yes. So if I have it on, there, the LED turns on, but then the LED keeps itself on by facing the photoresistor, so it kind of latches until you cut off that connection, and it turns off. You can turn it back on and back off. Neat. All right, this is circuit 5 for Project 4, the quick turn on but delayed turn off. Got the circuit here, and I'll turn it on. There's the light. I have to wait a little while for the capacitor to charge fully, but it doesn't take too long. And then once I turn it off, there's a delay. Okay, this is the alternate circuit 5 for Project 4. I built it here. What's interesting about this one is that there's a delayed turn on. There it is. But an instant turn off. And there's quite a bit of delay actually from when I press the button and when the LED comes on. See if I can get it again. Hang on, let me short out the capacitor. Okay. Yeah, so like that's quite a bit of delay. And that makes sense because when I first turn it on, all the current's going to be going toward charging this capacitor until the voltage is high enough to bias the transistor into the, so the current will flow through the LED. So it does kind of the opposite of what the first one did. Okay, here's the next circuit 5 for Project 4, and this is an interesting one. This also does not actually fade it out, but it gives it like a little bump at the beginning. See that? See how it's brightest at the beginning? It goes, and then goes back down to normal, so it's like, it overshoots and then corrects, which is interesting, but it does not fade out like we wanted it to. Okay, here's Nate's design for Project 4, or Circuit 5 of Project 4. I've built it here. What's interesting about this one is it doesn't use any transistors, but it works really well. It turns on instantly, and then when I turn it off, it's got a nice long fade. That's nice. I know you wouldn't steer me wrong, Nate,